Okay, hello children. This is question number 20 from chapter 2 physics class 12. So what is given in this question? You have 27 drops of water. Okay, और हर एक का रेडियस 0.1 mm और वो पूरा मिक्स होके कोवालिस मीन्स मिक्स होके 1 ड्रॉप हो रहा है. So you have to find the change in surface energy. So now what we'll do, we have small radius, small sphere का radius हम small r ले रहे हैं, बड़े sphere जो एक बड़ा sphere बन रहा है उसका radius capital R ले रहे हैं. So now see, this small r is given to us as 0.1 mm. So we'll convert this into meter. So it will become 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Now पूरा sphere जो small spheres है, they are combining into one big sphere. So the volume, yes, so volume क्या रहेगा? That is a sphere. So sphere का volume 4/3 pi r cube, right? This is the volume of one small sphere, right? तो हमारे पास कितने small spheres है? 27. तो पूरा 27 small spheres का ये volume रहेगा. This will mix and this is giving us one big sphere, right? So one big sphere का radius we have taken 4/3 pi r cube. So when we solve this, 4/3 cancels from both sides, pi cancels, and here you have 27 r cube is, right? From this, when I take cube root on both sides, क्यूब रूट ले रहे हैं. क्यूब रूट में फ्रॉम 3 पार्ट्स यू विल मेक और उसमें से हमें एक बाहर निकालना है. सो 27 क्या रहेगा? 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू आर इंटू आर इंटू आर एंड हियर ऑल्सो आर इंटू आर इंटू आर. ओके, अभी ये 3 पार्ट में से 1 3 इज कमिंग आउट. फ्रॉम 3 आर 1 आर इज कमिंग आउट एंड हियर 1 आर. So what we got the radius of bigger sphere as 3r, right? Now what they have asked us to find out, the change in surface energy, right? तो पहले एनर्जी के पहले हमें सरफेस एरिया, डिक्रीज इन सरफेस एरिया ढूंढेंगे. नाउ सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ स्फीयर इज, स्फीयर का सरफेस एरिया फॉर्मूला 4/3 pi r square. So decrease in surface area, we will calculate decrease in surface area. Now see children, area जो छोटा छोटा spheres था, okay, 27 spheres, उसका एरिया ज़्यादा रहेगा. okay, so we take 27 into 4 pi r square is the area of small spheres पूरा मिला के. okay, and decrease करना है means we have to find out decrease means we'll subtract with from, इसमें से क्या माइनस करेंगे? बिगर स्फीयर का एरिया. okay, we'll subtract bigger sphere's surface area because they have asked us to find out change in surface energy. तो पहला surface area ढूंढेंगे. So now see here, you have already you know what is r, right? And you know what is this r also. फिर पहले अभी इसमें से हम लोग what we can do is we will take common 4 pi. We will take common out. What remains inside is 27 r square minus r square. okay, so now 4 pi 27 r square, and the value of capital R we have already calculated, no, 3r. So that will substitute 3 r whole square. So now 4 pi 27 r square minus, this will become 9 r square, right? 3 3s are 9. 4 pi 27 minus 9, you get 18 r square. So this we'll keep this as it is. Okay, this will keep as it is. We'll keep as it is. So now we need to calculate surface energy. Formula for surface energy. Surface energy is, what is the formula for surface energy? Surface tension into change in energy, right? Change in surface energy. Surface energy का change ये जो हमने ढूंढा है, decrease in surface energy is the change in surface energy, which we can write as dW. Okay, so surface tension is already given in the question. 0.072 into 4 pi into 18 r square. So we don't need this bracket. So 0.072 into 4 into 3.142 into 18 into r. Now r is what? 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 whole square, right? So we'll multiply this. So 10 raised to minus 4, this will become 10 raised to minus 8. And this 0.072 also we can take divided. I can remove all the 3 points, so I can take 1000 into 4 into 3.142 into 18 into 10 raised to minus 8. Right? Now this you multiply 72 into 4. How much you get? You can directly multiply or you can use log table also. This is 1 to 3000. When it comes up 10 raised to minus 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this portion you multiply and this will become minus 8 and minus 3 minus 11. Right, now multiply 72 into 4. So 72 into 4 into 3.142 into 18. You get 1 6 2 8 8 okay into 10 raised to minus 11. So now I will take now writing answer 1 2 3 4. So now from this if I remove 4 zeros, so 1.6288 अगर हमने ऐसा आंसर लिखा तो this will become -7 joules is your surface energy. Okay, bye, thank you.